What's up, YouTube family? Today we got some beef oxtails. I'm gonna slow cook them on the smoker. I'm gonna use my all-purpose dry rub that I made. Hey, be sure to go ahead and check out the video how to make the dry rub. Use a little olive oil. Once they about done, I'm gonna put them in a pan with some beef stock. Okay, let's go ahead and wash them off. So I washed them off. I'm gonna cover them down in some olive oil. I'm not gonna trim any of the fat off because first time trying on the grill, I don't want to lose too much fat and it dry out. Flip them over. Olive oil them down. Okay, that's my secret that's my dry rub recipe I told you. I'm gonna just cover them with the dry rub. I just used any old shaker I had left over. Mix them up really good. Got 2 small packs. Okay. Gonna go out here and get the smoker ready. Get ready to throw them on there. Get the smoker ready to throw them on. I'm gonna get my fire started. Let them sit. Before you put them on the grill, make sure you let them sit out the fridge for a little. You don't want to put them on there and stall your meat out. Get ready to put my oxtails on. You see, you better see the smoke. It's smoking. But that's what you want. You don't want to be able to see it. You want that clear blue smoke, you know. That dark old heavy, that's no good for your food. No good for your grill either. Dirty it on up. See, I'm gonna cook them on here for about 2 hours unwrapped. Then I'm gonna take and put them in a pan like this with some beef broth. Just let them smoke on down right now. We'll come back and check on them in a few. Okay, about to take them off. Go ahead and put them in our beef broth. See what we got here. They look pretty good. Nice strong. I'm gonna come back and put them out here on there with some onions and green peppers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover with some green peppers and onions. Cover with some beef broth. Let's see what we get from here. Wrap it up with some lemon foil. Form on smoking the lemon foil. Right up in there. Make it around a little bit. Come back in about 2 hours. Check it out. Go ahead and grab these oxtails. Take them on in the house. Nice and slow cooked. Peel them back off the bone. First time attempt. Let's see what we got. Look. Woo! Fall off the bone. Almost into soup. Look at that. It sure looks good. Wish I could give you some through the right now. Look at that. Pull right off like that. You don't need to get your oxtails like that in a crock pot. Hey, be sure to comment in the section below. Hey, let your friends know. Hey, we up next and up and coming.